Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can go live on TikTok for iPad. In order to do so, here we are in the TikTok app for iPad, and what we're looking for is found here at the bottom. We have our big plus sign here. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And when we do, then here at the bottom where it says post and templates. Now, this if you have the option to go live, here is where you're going to find that option. If you don't see that option, it's because you don't have access to it on your device yet. The reason being is because you do need at least 1,000 subscribers in order to be able to take advantage of the live function. So if you don't see that there, then you need to get those 1,000 subscribers. And once you do, then you should be able to go live. The other caveat is that you do need to be over 16 as well. So that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.